Okay, in this video, I will go through three questions. July 20th, 21st, and 22nd. 2x squared plus 16x minus 11. We need to complete a square for this question and then sketch the graph. To complete a square, the coefficient of x squared is not equal to 1. Therefore, we need to factorize from 2 first. Okay, 2 open bracket x squared plus 8x close bracket minus 11 equals to. Now let's complete a square for the one inside the bracket. 2 open bracket. To complete a square for this one, x plus half of 8 is 4 squared minus another 4 squared, which is 16, close the big bracket, minus 11. Let's expand this bracket. 2 open bracket x plus 4 whole squared minus 32 minus 11, which is equals to 2 open bracket x plus 4 squared minus 43. Okay, so from this equation we can clearly see the minimum and maximum point. In this case there is minimum point because ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is positive, so therefore there is minimum point. So therefore the minimum point is equals to minus a, which is minus 4, and b, which is minus 43. Okay, so to sketch the diagram we need another two important things. One, the intercept point with the y-axis, another one is the intercept point with the x-axis. So graph crosses the y-axis when x is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equals to 2 times 0 squared add 16 times by 0 minus 11. Therefore, y is equal to 0 plus 0 minus 11, and finally y equals to minus 11. So therefore, let's call this point A with coordinate of 0 and minus 11. Okay, so the next thing about the graph is where the graph crosses the x-axis. Okay, so crosses the x-axis when y is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore the easiest way would be to use this equation rather than this one, okay, which we have already completed the square for this. 2 open bracket x plus 4 whole squared minus 43 is equal to 0. 2 open bracket x plus 4 squared is equal to 43. Divide both sides by 2. X plus 4 squared is equal to 43 divided by 2. X plus 4 is equal to plus and minus square root of 43 over 2. And finally, x is equal to minus 4 plus and minus root 43 over 2. Therefore, let's call one of the coordinate b. b is when x is minus 4 plus root 43 over 2, and the y value is 0, and another coordinate, let's call it c, minus 4 minus root 43 over 2 and 0. Okay, now let's sketch the graph. So x, y. Okay. So first of all, the graph is gonna to cut the y-axis at point 11, minus 11. Let's call this point 0 and minus 11, which is a. Minus 4 plus root 43 over 2. Root 43 over 2 is root 21.5, which is between 4 and 5. So greater than 4, less than 5. Minus 4 plus a number between 4 and 5, it is positive number, but quite a small number. Let's say here, which we call this point B, with coordinate of minus 4 plus root 43 over 2 and 0. Minus 4 minus root 43 over 2, it would be about this point. Minus 4 minus root 43 over 2 and 0. Okay, so now let's sketch the diagram. So it is quadratic, therefore it would be a curve. Okay, this point is the minimum point, which is minus 4 and minus 43. Okay, minimum point. Okay, now we move on to the next video.